Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI.
And I have got some gorgeous boots to brag about today. Look at these boots. Aren't they adorable? My favorite thing about them is definitely how versatile they are. I wear them with leggings constantly, but I've also worn them with skirts, and I can wear them with jeans. I can wear them with anything, and they're gonna look cute. Look at this. I absolutely love them with the leggings. I love that my socks show when I wear stylish socks, and I love how warm they are. Oh my goodness, if there's not snow outside, then my feet get so hot in these boots. They definitely keep your feet warm in the wintertime. They have grippy bottoms on them, so you know you're not going to slide or slip around on the ice. They improve my dance moves, believe it or not. Results may vary. I'm just saying they helped me with my dance moves, so they might help you also. I don't know. I love how easy they are to slip on, whether you have chunky socks or pantyhose on, or you can wear them with no socks at all, and they're still going to be comfortable and warm. So if you are looking for an amazing pair of boots to keep your feet toasty warm in the winter and so that you won't slide around and are easy to slip on, you have found them, my friend.
And that's my point of view.